Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this really cool looking AOSU Floodlight camera, which is wired connected. This is one of the best security system I ever had before. Really cool so far. We have a 3K Ultra HD security camera for outdoor use, which makes really cool astonishing videos, as you can see. Wow, this is a nice thing. We have 360 degrees coverage, nearly 24/7 recording, AI motion activated alerts, smart sensor lighting, and as you can see, night vision is included too. And this is a really good night vision. Yeah, with smart sensors. And if you switch on the light, it comes to a thick 2600 lumens. That's bright. We have full color night vision. No monthly fee because we can install a micro SD card if we like. Of course, we can store it on a cloud service if we like, but you does not need it. You can also use it without storing any data via the app. That's cool. 3K Ultra HD delivers 2 times the clarity of 2K, ensuring superior image quality, perfect for extensive outdoor surveillance. It captures distance details and shines in low light or nighttime scenarios. And zero blind spot, featuring 3 PIR motion sensors that cover a 270 degrees range. The outer camera AI seamlessly detects and tracks moving targets. And this, I think, is a really cool feature, that it tracks automatically movement of pets or of human, of course. And this artificial intelligence. It looks really cool. Moving targets, answering complete monitoring even in a blind spot. And 24/7 recording. This offering us a continuous round-the-clock surveillance. This wireless outdoor security camera is essential for safety and evidence. It guarantees no vital events are missed, safeguarding both assets and individuals. And with a smart sensor lighting included, this featuring a 270 degrees wide-angle illumination. The AOSU Floodlight camera intelligently adjusts its brightness up to 2600 lumens based on surroundings and activity, ensuring vibrant full-color recording at night. And we have an integrated 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connection. That means it's really easy. This ensures a quick device pairing. Additionally, it's compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant for voice-activated smart monitoring. And as you can see, the installation process is easy up to medium. Okay, that means the first thing is you have to connect it to your power supply. And of course, after this, it's really easy to attach this device to the wall or a ceiling. You can make both of it installation process. And then you can pair it. After the installation process is done, you can go and switch the power supply on, because this device here needs power supply. And then you go to the app and pair it easily. The easiest way is, of course, Bluetooth pairing. This is jobs done in a second nearly. Or you are going to scan the QR code on the camera, then pair it with your Wi-Fi network. It's 2.4 GHz network. If you have a 5 GHz network at home, no problem. Every router out there can handle a 2.4 GHz network if it's possible to use a 5 GHz network too. And then you're in. then you can make a setup easily, baby. That means you can adjust it what you like. You can make an alert system. You can make a two-way audio. You can use a siren. You can make that's an alert thing. You can make night vision or floodlight or both. Or you go to the you make it set up AI. That means artificial intelligently. That's really cool. AOSU Security is a cutting-edge global innovator in smart home security and camera solutions. The vision of them is to protect what we are about most and bring us a peace of mind. They value our privacy as much as we do that. They are fully committed to and passionate about protecting our personal data using industry-leading standard methods. This is just the beginning of the committed to protection as a family and, of course, our privacy. The AOSU Security Floodlight Camera Pro Wired makes a really cool job because we have a Floodlight Cam Pro. That means all-around monitoring, 360 degrees possibility. We have intelligent brightness adjustment. Smart lighting adjusts the brightness based on the environment and activity too. And of course, efficient security monitoring. The artificial identification detects entering efficient surveillance, swiftly identifying threats like intrusions, behaviors, and so on. And we have smart AI motion tracking. The artificial intelligence automatically tracks moving people and vehicles, seamlessly recording their action if you like it. And we have a sound light alert. Customize the light sound siren to deter unwanted intruders when we need it. And we have swift connectivity. The integrated 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi and Bluetooth ensures a rapid device pairing. And this is really fast. As you can see, it was really easy. And intelligent event analytics. Receiving real-time alerts like someone is staying and someone is passing on your smartphone while we are going to use the app. And view historical video and events. We view and download the videos we are interested in recorded by the camera at any time via the app. And of course, we can share this camera system with our family. This device streams in real time to 3 users and offers unlimited access sharing for enhanced security. You see, this system here comes with nearly everything. You can attach it to the wall, you can attach it to the ceiling, what you like. And it makes a really cool job because it tracks you. It works outdoor and of course indoor. It works to protect you and your family easily. This is the AOSU Floodlight Camera Wide System. 3K Ultra HD security camera system for outdoor use. We have a 360 degrees coverage, 24/7 recording, AI motion activated, alert, smart sensor lighting with 2600 lumens. And because of that, we have full color night vision. And we have no monthly fee if we dislike that. If we like it, we can additional use a cloud system, but only if we like that. Otherwise, we use the microSD and or our app, which is really easy to operate with it. This is AOSU or AOSU Floodlight Camera. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. So.